And where is it at? Well, it's not. There it is right here. We got our homework 2025 playlist, and it's 463 videos deep. Okay, 463 videos deep. Real odds and evens. Good to see you. Hopefully you're doing good. You know I'm gonna throw you a moderator jacket because I already know you a content creator. You dig? I already know you a content creator. You dig? But yeah, back to what I'm saying. The homework playlist. I started this playlist like, was it before or after Thanksgiving? I don't know, but it was No Nut November. Cause guess what we was doing? We was putting in that work. Uh, that boy crazy. He said it was No Nut November. Fred, you better slow down sometimes. They gonna cancel your ass. Hell, I would like to see him try. Shouts out to the way my Rumble set up. Cause the way my Rumble set up, hell, I'm not recording for Rumble right now, but I should be. I should be, but I'm getting highlights for YouTube because YouTube need highlights. You dig? Them highlight videos be doing random numbers, and we appreciate that because then you might even go and watch the full video after that. Well, let me go find that video. That looked entertaining. That little 5 minutes. Hell. Anyways, let's get y'all some videos because you know I planned on holding y'all up all night anyways. Because today when we go in the green room, we actually got some work to put in. Shouts out to having a lot of work in the green room. This is why I'm an indoor garden consultant because I actually have a lot of work that I do publicly and privately. You dig? Publicly and privately. You dig? So I'll be showing y'all what I can show y'all because you know the customers, on the other hand, they don't want y'all all up in their business. They don't want you there for the consultations. Oh yeah, well you already should know most of the people in here because I know where you be kicking it at. So therefore, if you don't know the people in here, you'll get familiar with them real quick. Like that's go ahead and hit their channels and make sure you do your networking because that's the one thing we promote around here: 24/7 networking. Hell, your net work determines your net worth. Ooh wee. Coach told me that day. I said, shit, you ain't lied yet, coach. Anyways, let me get back in here. Shout out to the big homie at DJ Is for them beats. Y'all know he got them non-copyrighted beats. So if you want to use one, go ahead and use it. Just make sure you remind the people. Hold on. This beat was presented to you by DJ Is when you use his shit. That's all he asked for. Just give him his credit. You see what I'm saying? He gave y'all the dope beat that you like. Make sure you just go ahead and promote. You did, because that's the only thing we expect back from y'all. Hey, I'm promoting these people's videos while you say I'm stealing them. Hell, it was a good video. Therefore, I want people to see me watching that good video. Therefore, I can do what? How to get paid for watching YouTube videos. That was a video I seen one day, but it was a scam. But guess what I did? I made it not a scam, but an actual way to get paid for watching YouTube videos. Well, they tell you everything you need to know. Well, first you got to get the 1,000 subscribers. Then you got to get the 4,000 watch hours. Then you just got to keep people watching videos with you. I'm just saying. I mean, if you don't know anything's possible, you must be, from one of them places. Something that don't look like paradise. Anyways, let's get to some videos because, like I said, I'm holding y'all hostage tonight. So if I don't have 50 views by the time I get done in my green room, I'm gonna just keep the live on till my phone go out. Then I'm gonna plug it up because, like I said, we got numbers to hit today. We got numbers to hit. We gonna hit some numbers and some blunts. Can't be too many blunts, but I got some papers.
Now, we all know people have been getting arrested for decades just because of a little herb. People have lost jobs, families, access to welfare, and a whole lot more just because of a herb-related arrest. But now something that was once banned is completely legal in many states, and lots of people want those past convictions wiped clean from their record.
Court ruling could mean thousands of people are eligible to have their arrest records wiped.
Now, this is something that we've seen happening across multiple states, not just over in Hawaii. We've actually touched on this in previous episodes, but it may not be as simple as just having an automatic expungement. So if you did have a conviction of some sort in the past and the law changes, it's not as simple as just